Not what you were expecting? Oh, shit! My bad, man. I didn't mean to scare you. Happy birthday, Ryan. You know, wishing for your stuffed animal to come to life is kind of weird. You're not like a freak or anything, right?
Are you actually talking to me right now?
You wished for a friend. And that's what I'm here to be. Your friend. Now, are we going to celebrate your birthday or what?
Fuck it. Let's go.
Well, hey, buddy, hold on just a second.
What?
I can't walk.
So you can talk, but can't walk? Is that really where we draw the line at birthday magic? It's just downright lazy.
Listen, I don't make the rules. You could just carry me around in your hands all day.
I could, or...
I'm starting to see why you have no friends. So, where are we headed?
I just kind of figured we'd ride around, so I guess we found a good place or spot.
Oh, I got an idea. Why don't we go see Jessica, that girl you've been talking to?
What? Hell no. Especially not with you strapped to my chest. Plus, there really isn't much to go off of there with her
Yeah,
anyway.
you're right. That was ridiculous. You are ugly.
What?
Joking. Partly. But why stop yourself? She's clearly taken a liking to you.
It's a big commitment. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to college or if I'm going anywhere. Plus, I don't even think I want to commit, especially if I don't know where I'm going to be in the next few months. Alright, I think this is a good spot.
Okay, your mind ain't on the ladies. Fair. Instead, you're thinking about...
Well, it's just my future, I don't know if I should go to college or go somewhere far away and don't look back. 'Cause, that's what normal people do, right?
Okay. But what do you want?
I don't know. I like to write and stuff, but,
Came to life a couple minutes ago. Help me out here.
it's not exactly the most lucrative or stable choice to pursue. I could try and pursue something more realistic, maybe even work under my dad or something. He's been nagging me about that. Part of me feels like I'm obligated to do so. It'd be all set for me. Who's gonna look after Matt?
Your brother?
Yeah, my parents would look after Matt, but they hardly ever take him out just to have fun, They hardly ever did when I was his age.
So, you've made up your mind then?
No, not at all.
I'm having trouble understanding what you're getting at, I think.
Point is, I could be happy here, and I've got some reason to stay. I mean, just putting that behind me feels a little selfish, doesn't it?
Well, it sounds like you'd be tolling away at some random office job.
Maybe that's just a sacrifice I have to make. Have a little backbone and tend to my obligations here. I don't really see a failure in that, you know?
It takes backbone to take the step forward towards the life you want.
Maybe you're right. I think I just want to move on from what I have now. I want out.
I think you want in. Hey, take a look at that. Set me down here. You see all that? All that stretch of blue? It doesn't change for no one. Not for me or you. It just is enduring. You don't think so, Ryan, but you are too. Steady. There's risk in taking all these steps in your life, but standing still, well, that's its own kind of drowning.
Damn, did you really just say all that off the dome?
What can I say? It's that birthday magic. Happy birthday, buddy.